Okay, so I'm on the back end of WordPress, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create a new page. I'm going to go ahead and call this my page, and over on the far right side we have this little box here that says Enable Instabuilder. I'm going to go ahead and click this. It turns to green. We're going to click this button here, and as soon as we do, you see that we are now entering the Instabuilder module. Here we have the option to choose from different templates. So if I pull this down, you'll see that we have sales pages, squeeze pages, look at these designs, launch pages, webinar pages, coming soon pages, and we have pages that fit in various categories. There's over 100 different templates for you to choose from. Now that's just a start, because if I come back through this menu and we'll look at sales pages, now you have the subtype. So we look here, we can have a sales page for text, a video sales page, a hybrid sales page. You can even do an OTO sales page. We come to the squeeze pages, we have the same thing. We pull this menu down here, we have text squeeze pages, video squeeze pages, mini squeeze pages, and you can go ahead and click on these. You can see exactly what they look like. Here's the 3-step opt-in I was talking to you about. But remember, these are just templates. This just gives you somewhere to start with. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a sales page that I want to work with. And so I can scroll through here and I can simply find one that I'm comfortable with. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one right here, or I have the option to create from scratch.